Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own trading strategy on TradingView using Pine script. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, by the end of this video, you'll know how to code a strategy and backtest it right inside TradingView. So let's get started. First, open TradingView and go to the chart of any asset you want to trade. You can use stocks, forex, or crypto. It works for all of them. Once you're on the chart, we'll open the Pine script editor. To do that, click on Pine editor at the bottom of your screen. Let me break it down. We define a fast 10-period moving average and a slow 30-period moving average. We plot both on the chart so we can see them. When the fast MA crosses above the slow MA, we enter a long trade. When the fast MA crosses below the slow MA, we close the trade. This gives us a simple, working strategy that TradingView can backtest immediately. Once we've written the script, click Add to Chart. TradingView will automatically backtest your strategy over the historical data. You can see your trades on the chart and check performance metrics like profit, loss, win rate, and more in the Strategy Tester tab. The beauty of Pine script is that you can customize everything. Try changing the moving average lengths, adding stop losses, take profits, or even combining multiple indicators for better signals. You can also add alerts so TradingView can notify you when a trade setup happens. And that's it. You've just created your own trading strategy in TradingView using Pine script. Play around with different ideas, backtest them, and refine your strategy over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.